Hello everyone. This is my assignment number one for NetCentric. It's a server client chat. It's made in Python. Just gonna. I don't need this. I'll leave it there. I'm connect. As you can see, there's a visual component for my server where I can provide the information of the address I want to connect with. This is um, this is just my local host and just any random port over 1,000 something. Connect. Um, it is listening now, so I'm gonna go ahead and create a client. The first thing, yeah, we do have a visual component of the client. The client's gonna have a couple of drop-down menus for different reasons. We're gonna go ahead and use the first one. This client's name is John, um, and he's gonna connect to. Okay, no, hold on. What John's gonna do? It's John is gonna misspell his name on a pretty weird name, in a pretty weird way, just to see if we can fix it inside the chat. Um, and the port it's a bunch of sevens. Connect. First thing he notices it's yeah, I messed up. This is this is not my name. Um, so I'll see what I can do. Help. So he says, first of all, there's a way you can get through the GUI to the help. There's also the commands, so you can type help. The commands are not case sensitive, so you can also type help, and you can go pretty wild and type help like this, and it's still the same. But well, that's not the point. The point is he notices this command nick, where you can change your nickname. So he types Nick, and then he types his actual name, which is John. Execute, and then his name is fixed on the server side and on the the client side, which is more important. He discovered the command prompt. So what we're gonna do we're gonna go ahead and try all the commands that we can do without any other client connected at the point. So we have ping, and we give it an address. There's a response there. Let's give it like I don't know. Okay, well, I forgot ping. Um, but you can see that if the command it's not recognized, you also get some feedback. That's not the purpose of it. We're gonna ping some weird address. There we go, and we get no response. So basically, yep, that's what happened with ping. That's there's also version 2.1.7, as you can verify here. 2.1.7. Trust me on that one. It's been a lot of versions before this one. Um, there's also rules. There's a rules over chat. You better follow the rules. That's a pretty nice advice. Because there's you can get kicked out or killed. Believe me, you can get killed in a pretty figurative way. Um, there is user IP. So I'll check my own user IP with the server. User IP for John. It's that's a that's a user IP. That is what it is. Um, so yeah, then there is help. We already saw help. There is time. um, this time it's this is Greenwich time, so we have not the local time but the server's time, which runs with the universal time. We know we are on the zone -5, so it's like 6:50 in the morning right now, pretty early. So we also have list. There's one thing here with list. I created a channel that every single user is gonna be on. Whenever you log in to the chat, you're gonna be on the default channel by default. um, so yeah, every time a user joins chat, you can start chatting right away, and that's what the default channel is for. It's more probably for testing purposes. Um, but that's what the default channel is. And also, once you get kicked out from a channel, you go back to the default channel before you get actually killed, or I don't know, like, you know. Um, there's also it's on. So now that I know that I'm on the chat and this is the only channel, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be on. So it's on. Um, I think it's John first, and then default. True. Yeah, I'm on default. Pretty sure. And then we have, okay. Oh, we have away. This is kind of tricky to away. Your status has been set to away. Um, there's no explanation of the documentation about what's the behavior of a user that is away. So basically, what I did is I have also busy here, which is I've seen busy more than away actually, and there's online. Um, so what happens is if you are online and you get a message, you're gonna hear a sound like a notification sound, and then you're gonna have your Windows gonna come up on top, and you're gonna have the focus on your Windows on something like that. That's if you're online. Any other state, it's not gonna happen if you are away or busy. So this is it. Um, this is all about John. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna add someone else so I can talk. Because John's life it's pretty lonely. So this guy, for example, um, he knows that he can connect. This is Jim to the command connect. You're not connected as Jim. So what Jim does is Jim is gonna let's see how I put this one. Okay, Jim knows the administrator. Um, so the administrator is gonna give him permissions. There's one thing here that I haven't talked about, and when you see this help list, these are the commands that regular users can get, but those are not the only commands. Um, there's more commands, but those you need to have permission for. So, for example, if you try, let's see how it goes. If you try to create um, a new channel, that's with the command topic. Topic, I have seen documentation says that you can suggest a topic for a new channel or for the current channel. But what I did is since we have no default operators, anyone who can get operator permission can create a channel with the topic command, because there's no commands to create channels. So I got kind of creative there. I hope that's okay. So I'm gonna create the channels ports, if that's okay. Execute. Only operators can create channels. I'm sorry, Jim, you cannot yet, but you're gonna get operator permission right now. Execute. Believe it or not, he's an operator now, so just go ahead and respect him. He's gonna go ahead and try again. Topic and sports. Execute. Sports channels created. Um, there's another default action that happens there, and it's once you are an operator and you create a channel, you go to that channel at that moment. And so you're the operator of that channel. So these guys now they're not on the same channel. They cannot talk. Um, I should have. Hold on. I'm gonna create someone else just for the fun of it. So those are two guys. So I'm gonna do uh, Mary. She's gonna connect to, of course, the same address and this port. Boom. She sees the guys. They see her. Mary, it's on the default channel, so she can be able to. You hear that, and you saw him coming up to the front because he received a message and he's online. So they're both on the same channel because they're both on the default channel, and this guy is on the sports channel. But I don't know. She's got some bad blood with this guy, and she tries to erase him on the sports channel. Let's say she logs in list. Okay, hold on. List. She knows he's in sports because he's a fan of sports. So she joins sports. Successfully joined the channel. So she's just in, and now she says gym and some messy stuff. They get him. He doesn't get it because he's still in the default channel. Um, what's gonna happen now? It's I don't know. Like Jim's gonna let him know through private message to John. I hope this is Jim and this is John. Um, private message to John. Mary is here. I no no Mary's here. Execute. He gets it came up. I didn't click. I swear. John says Mary's here on a private message. She's not gonna get it in either ways because she's on a different channel. But he can send private message to people because he knows they're online. And what's gonna happen is since she was pretty rude, this guy who knows the administrator, I'm not gonna open a fourth window because that will get pretty wild here. So let's assume this guy talked through the chat to the administrator that she's doing some weird stuff and telling him, I don't know, weird things. So administrator decides he's gonna, you know, kick her out from that channel, and then you don't get a this is not a message. This is an automatic message, so it's not a notification for it. You've been kicked out of the previous channel. Check the rules for more information, so you know exactly what you did. Um, but I don't know. Like, let's say the administrator, who's a pretty nice friend of this guy here. I don't know, like John or Jim. At this point, I don't remember, but this should be John. Um, he got pretty upset, and he wants to be pretty drastic because she said some nasty stuff here, and he decides to um, send the message, not kill. Kill is a pretty weird word. I wouldn't use it, but that's on the notification. I mean, on the documentation. So he says, "Okay, Maury, bye bye," and see how she leaves, and they notice immediately that she's not there anymore. Um, There's also okay, I saw done over kick kill private message pong, it's the automatic response to ping. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So I hope you like it, guys. Just if there's anything else I'm missing, if you wanna give me some feedback, um, I shouldn't have closed it because you can just exit and it's kind of nicer. Oh, and there's also die, and that terminates the whole thing. I hope you guys liked it. Just give me your feedback. Let me know what you think about it. And this is it. Thank you for your time.